Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to display images from Google Drive directly on your WordPress post page. This is the full 2026 walkthrough, and it works for pretty much any theme or setup. So let's get into it. All right, first step is grabbing the correct Google Drive link. Not the regular one you copy from the address bar. We need the shareable link that works publicly. So open Google Drive, choose your image, right-click, and select Get Link. Make sure the access is set to anyone with the link can view. If not, switch it. Next, and this is the part people usually miss, the Google Drive link won't show the image in WordPress unless you convert it to a direct link. Yeah, I know, kinda annoying, but it's simple. Take the file ID from the link, it's that long string in the middle, and paste it into a direct view format. So the direct URL will look like this: https drive.google.com dem export view id filed. Just replace the file ID with your own. Once you've got that, you're good. Now head back to WordPress and edit the post where you want the image. Click the plus icon and insert an image block. Instead of uploading, choose Insert from URL. Paste your direct Google Drive link there. After a second or two, the preview should pop up. And once the image loads, you can resize it, center it, or add alt text for SEO. If the preview doesn't show up, double-check that the link is set to public. Also make sure you didn't miss any characters in the file ID. That happens more than you think, and that's pretty much it. You now know how to display Google Drive images inside your WordPress posts, and I mean, it works great when you're trying to save WordPress storage space. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.